Okay, for number 12 through 14, we're going to use this diagram here. So I think it makes it a little bit easier if we mark what's congruent. So if I look at this 123, okay, Y is congruent because these are vertical angles. Okay, W is congruent to Y because these are corresponding angles. If we look here at V, these are corresponding this direction, same place, okay? And then that makes this one also corresponding with V, okay? Then if you look here at X, this is also congruent to V because right here, these are alternate interior. So all of the ones I have highlighted are all equal to 123. So V, that's 123. W is 123. And X, that's 123. So for this one, or for these are all going to be the 123. Now, if it asks for Z, you'd have to do 180 minus 123 to get the Z, then you could have a different number there. Okay, for number 15, you start with a shaded triangle, triangle ABC, and if I go down, left 1, down 3, what triangle do I land on? And that would be triangle 2. So for B, I go down 1, I go over 1 to the left, and I go down 3, and I land on figure 2. So I go over 1, down 3. And then, since this triangle went down 1, left 1, down 3, it went to triangle 2, which is B. In number 16, the easiest way is to match up 2 points. So if I look, I see I've got these two point F's. I want to draw from that point F to the center. And then from that point to F again. And I want to see what angle it makes. And this makes a straight angle, which is 180. So that means that it has to be C. Okay, and then in number 17, it says, given triangle ABC, find the coordinates of B. So I find the coordinates of B. B would be 5, 6. You want to dilate this by 3, so you need to multiply 5 times 3 and 6 times 3. So we're looking at 15, 30. Oh, I'm sorry, 6 times 3 is not 30. 6 times 3 is 18. So that means we're looking at letter D, the point 15, 18. Okay, in number 18, we want to know what method would this be congruent triangles. So if I look, I've got an angle that matches up, a side that matches up, and another side that matches up. And so that would be angle side side, which we're not allowed to have angle side side. So that would be D, not enough information. So for number 19, we are given an angle and a side, but we see that these two angles right here are vertical, which are congruent. So we would have angle, angle side, which is letter C. And we only choose that side to be last because it is not in between the two angles like right here. It's on the outside of those two angles. Okay, in number 20, it says which additional piece of information would prove that triangle LMK is congruent to triangle NMK by side, side, side. So it looks like we were given LK and NK are congruent. We know by reflexive property these are congruent. But then how do we prove that LM and MN are congruent? Well, if you look, it says M is the midpoint of LN. Well, if it was the midpoint, then these two segments would be congruent, making side, side, side. So we're going to go with A for number 20. Okay.